Our sectional door is now installed. We need to lift it into the horizontal position to connect the cables and the counterbalance springs. For one person, it can be quite a difficult task. The summer lifter is one person operating lifting equipment to get the door in the horizontal position to connect the spring assembly. It's very simple. You push and hold the button in deadman. The summer lifter then lifts the door without any assistance from springs into the open position for you to connect the counterbalance system. This will work on single doors, it'll work on double doors, and means that it can be a one-person job to commission and finish off. Once you're happy with the position of the door, you simply release the button, the door will then stop. We then need to take our cable, hook it onto the door, that's then the counterbalance done. We can then disengage the motor, lower the door, and we can swap out the head unit. It takes all of 2 minutes. You then pop in your drive unit and set the limits. Hey presto, you've got an operated door.